Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account. That's essential because your subscription ties to that identity. Once signed in, make sure a valid payment method is added, and then pick the right plan, console, PC, or Ultimate, based on where you play. After selecting a plan, redeem any code or start the trial immediately. Then download the Xbox app on PC or navigate to the store on your console to view Game Pass titles and manage your subscription settings. Now you browse the Game Pass library and add games to your installation queue. This is where you prioritize what to download first. Once you choose a game, pick the install location, internal SSD for faster load times or external drive for capacity, and start the download. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so games stay current, and configure controller bindings or accessibility options as needed. If you're on PC, verify Xbox app settings, an optional game, pass PC app for you launch the game, and, if you have Ultimate, consider Cloud Play to start instantly without waiting for downloads. Once satisfied, manage your subscription from account settings to pause, cancel, or switch plans. Make sure to check billing dates so you don't lose time. If something goes wrong, first test your network and restart the app or console, then clear cache or reinstall the Xbox app. If issues persist, sign out and back in or contact support through the console help menu for a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.